Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Fortnite crashes on PC. I'll show you some easy steps, and you don't need to install any apps or files from third-party websites. Make sure to watch the full video and follow each step. First, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Now open your Epic Games library. Find Fortnite and click the three dots. Select Manage. Next to Verify, click Verify. This checks your Fortnite files and replaces any files that are missing or corrupted. After verifying the files, look for the Launch Options section. Enable it and enter D3D11 exactly as shown on screen. This forces Fortnite to use DirectX 11, which can help fix crashes caused by compatibility issues with DirectX 12. Now try launching Fortnite again. If Fortnite is still crashing, click the folder icon next to Fortnite to open its installation folder. Open Fortnite game. Then open Binaries. Open Win64. Find FortniteLauncher.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Also enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Now do the same thing for Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping.exe. Open its properties and go to the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Now launch Fortnite and check if the crash is fixed. If Fortnite is still crashing, check for an available graphics driver update for your GPU. An outdated or corrupted graphics driver can sometimes cause game crashes. If none of these solutions work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Fortnite as a final step. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the crashes on your PC. If you're still facing any error, let us know in the comments and we'll guide you. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Fortnite fixes.